In this instructional video, I'll guide you through the steps to resolve crashing issues in Helldivers 2. If you've been experiencing difficulties launching the game on your PC, especially during its initial release, fret not. I've compiled a range of fixes that could potentially address your concerns. Personally, I encountered troubles with both my AMD GPU and CPU, a problem shared by many users. After experimenting with various solutions, I managed to identify some troubleshooting measures that proved effective. To begin, navigate to the Helldivers folder on Steam by right-clicking the game, selecting Manage, and then choosing Browse Local Files. Once you're in the game's installation directory, locate the B folder. Here, delete the GameGuard folder. This step is crucial as GameGuard, the anti-cheat software utilized by the game, sometimes struggles to acquire all necessary installation files. By removing this folder, you'll initiate a fresh installation the next time you launch the game. Next, find the Helldivers 2.exe file. Right-click it, go to Properties, then Compatibility, and ensure that you run the program as an administrator. After completing these actions within the game's installation folder, open a web browser and download the Visual Redistributable for Visual Studio 2012 Update 4. While it may seem redundant for PC gamers to install this, it surprisingly helped me troubleshoot my launch issues. Simply repair the installation, and you should be good to go. Though I hadn't encountered any specific visual errors, repairing this component resolved my problem. With these steps completed, try launching the game via Steam. If you encounter further issues, there are two additional measures you can take. First, right-click the game, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and verify the integrity of the game files. This action will identify and rectify any corrupted or missing files. Lastly, consider launching the game directly from the executable file rather than through Steam. While this step may not be mandatory, I've found it to be beneficial in some cases, particularly in circumventing issues related to anti-cheat software. However, you can still use the Steam launcher, if you prefer as depicted on the screen. Following these steps has resolved the crashing issues for me, and I hope they prove helpful to you as well. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more straightforward tips.